This is a vegan summer version of a bolognese. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making the Italian version of the French ratatouille, quicker and healthier to make than the traditional method. This Italian ratatouille is creamier and richer than the French classic, with caramelized vegetables and a hearty tomato sauce that transforms it into a melt-in-your-mouth vegan ragu. The result is a versatile dish that can be served as a side or main meal, paired with rice, pasta, polenta, or crusty bread. Make a large batch once and you'll have a flavorful dish ready for days. It keeps well in the fridge and the flavors only get better as they deepen and meld together over time. You will be surprised to see how easy it is to make. These are the ingredients I used. The measurements are in the description below, and you can find and print the full detailed recipe on my blog on the link above. To make this recipe truly exceptional, use fresh, seasonal summer vegetables, best if bought from a local market. For baking the vegetables, grease a large baking tray with extra virgin olive oil. I line my baking tray with a reusable silicone oven sheet. Baking paper wouldn't work as well as it would absorb all the juices from the vegetables and break into pieces. This silicone sheet is also washable, reusable, reduces the need for extra seasoning, and makes the cleanup so much easier. You can find it on the Amazon affiliate link here above. Wash all the vegetables thoroughly and we start chopping them into evenly sized cubes for consistent cooking. We start with the eggplant. Peel the eggplant and cut them into chunks. I always buy small, slim eggplants as they tend to have less seeds. Lay them on the baking tray and season with salt. Then we chop the red peppers. Remove the top and the seeds and cut the peppers into similar chunks as the eggplant. Here I use the large Italian red pepper for their bright color, but you can also use bell peppers with either yellow or green. Lay them over the eggplants and season. Now we chop the zucchini. Zucchini should also be small and slim as they have less seeds and contain less water. We finally roughly chop the onion in quarters. Red onions are ideal for their sweetness, but yellow onions work as well. Then we add the herbs and some chili pepper if you like it hot. I use fresh basil, but you can also use Provencal herbs for a French-inspired flavor. Stir everything to evenly coat the vegetables with oil and spices, and bake the vegetables in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the tray and stir the vegetables to ensure even caramelization. Return the tray to the oven and bake for another 30 minutes. After the second baking period, add the canned tomato sauce. Use a good quality tomato sauce, such as Mutti, for the best results. Stir well to coat the vegetables evenly. Increase the oven temperature to 200 degrees centigrade, which is 390 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for an additional 30 minutes. Once done, the ratatouille will be soft, creamy, and caramelized with beautifully melded vegetables. Serve this creamy ratatouille warm or at room temperature as a vegan main with rice, pasta, or polenta, or as a side to meat, fish, or melted cheese like scamorza. It's the perfect recipe for busy weeks or when entertaining guests. Make a large batch once and you'll have a delicious dish ready for days. It keeps well in the fridge for up to 4 days with the flavors deepening and melding together over time. You can also freeze it, making it a convenient option for last-minute meals. Simply defrost and enjoy as a main dish or a versatile side dish whenever you need it. For more easy side dishes so you can focus on your main, check out the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our next culinary adventure. All my friends know about this recipe and make it all the time.